Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Write Chinese with Penny. Today we're going to learn how to write autumn day in Chinese. 秋天 autumn day. 秋天 This is the pinyin. 秋 qi yu 秋 天 te yi an 天 both has flat intonation. 秋天 I'm going to show you the whole character first, and then I'm going to show you the step-by-step writing. 秋 天 Okay. 秋 First stroke. Second stroke. 秋 Now 天 first stroke, horizontal line. The top line is shorter, the second line is a little bit longer. Oh, sorry. And I do it again. Tian 秋天 秋天 Thanks for watching.